Hello everyone, I am here with the topic autoclave. Autoclave is a method of moist heat sterilization. In simple words, the autoclave is defined as steam under the pressure. Autoclave is made up of stainless steel and gunmetal, and this was first found by Charles Chamberlain. There are two forms of autoclave, vertical and horizontal. Principle: water boils when the vapor pressure equals to the surrounding pressure. The pressure inside the closed vessel increases, the temperature at which the water boil also increases more than the 100 degrees Celsius. The saturated steam has penetrative power. When the steam comes in contact with a cooler surface, it condenses to the water and gives latent heat. 1600 ml of steam condensed to 1 ml of water. The condensed water ensures moist condition for killing microbes present. What are the things to be autoclave? What are the instruments can be used for sterilization in the autoclave method? Surgical instrument, culture media, OT gowns and dressing material, syringes, surgical instrument, rubber such as tube and gloves. Mechanism: sufficient water is poured in the cylinder. Materials to be sterilized are placed inside. The lid is screwed tight. The discharge tap is opened. The safety valve is adjusted to the required pressure. Steam air is allowed to escape freely till the discharge tap is closed. Steam pressure rises inside until it reaches the desired level. The safety valve are opened after the steam is raised to the desired level. From this point, the holding period is calculated. When the holding period is over, the heater is turned off. Autoclave is allowed to cool inside the pressure and reaches the atmospheric pressure. The discharge tap is opened slowly and the air allowed to enter the autoclave. Precautions to be followed: should not open the autoclave until the pressure inside it falls down below the atmospheric pressure. Contents should be arranged within the proper distance to ensure free circulation of the steam. The contents present inside the autoclave should be adjusted and we should produce a sum of the gaps in between them to allow the steam to circulate freely in between them. When the pressure is high, we open, there is a chance of explosion. When the pressure doesn't comes to the level of below the atmospheric pressure, we just open. Before that, there's a chance of explosion. Sterilization time. Usual sterilization time is 121 degrees Celsius at 15 lbs for 15 to 20 minutes. 126 degrees Celsius at 20 lbs for 10 minutes. 134 degrees Celsius at 30 lbs for 3 minutes. As the temperature increases, time reduces. Sterilization control. To determine the effectiveness of the sterilization, whether the sterilization had done in proper way or not. To see the effectiveness of the sterilization, the sterilization control is also kept along with the sterilization instruments into the autoclave. Brownies tube. At 120 degrees Celsius, the chemical indicators such as sulfur pellet get melted with a change in shape or red solution of a brownish sterilizer control tube turns green. The brownish tube looks in red in color, it turns green, there is a proper and complete sterilization occurs. Autoclave tapes, thermocouples, Bacillus styrothermophilus. This is a kind of spore which is killed by exposure of 121 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes.